Hello Proactive family, Dr. Jessica here, and today we are going to be talking about pelvic pain. So do you experience pain during sex or pain with gynecologic exams, pain putting a tampon in? Then this can be a helpful hint for you. So here I've got my balloon, and so down below is those pelvic floor muscles. So sometimes those muscles can be tight, and that can cause an increase in pain. So we have pelvic floor muscles down here, diaphragm up here. And so what we're gonna do is diaphragmatic breathing. And so what that is you're gonna take a deep breath in. Belly's gonna get nice and big, and then breathe out. So how this helps your pelvic floor? So when you take a deep breath in, your diaphragm goes down, and you see how down below the balloon is getting stretched? Those pelvic floor muscles get stretched. And then you breathe out, and it goes back to its resting position. So let's try that again. So take a deep breath in. And out. So one way that you can try this is taking a deep breath in for 4 counts. So 2, 3, 4, and breathe out for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if you experience pelvic pain, contact us at Proactive Physical Therapy and Wellness, and we'll get you back to feeling better. Thank you, and have a good day.